Hi, my name is Kim from Digital Kim Designs, and I'm very excited to share with you today how to edit animated video invitations. It sounds a little bit intimidating, but it's actually really easy. So if you purchased one or you want to purchase one, this is how it works. You click on the link, on the purchase link that leads you to this Canva invite. And once you're inside, you see there are 3 slides, just like in a presentation, and you just edit those information in those 3 slides. For example, you can click on the text, you can change it, make it bigger, change the font. You can even grab the clip art and go over here to elements and add a different search in the field for different clip art if you wanted to do that. So let's add it, one piece of information. So I'm going to change this to Sandra. And then you can either drag it on the corners to make it smaller or bigger to adjust the size. Sometimes it's also good to grab it here to adjust it. So you're going to go through this information and change it the way you want it for your invitation. And you do that with each slide. You change your telephone number here. Yes, so that's how you do that. If you want to change the length of each of those slides, you have to mark the whole thing, and then you see up here the edit time, so how long it's going to play. Let's say you want it to play a little longer. So usually 10 to 12 seconds is a good amount total, so you can adjust it there. Then when you're ready and happy with everything, you can actually also add music, which is really fun. You can click down here to add audio, but you can also just upload your own music, which is awesome. Or you can just go, let me go back. Let's go here, add audio, and then you can go up here and search for actually audio. Sometimes you have to do that, or you just search for pop music or birthday music. And then you see this little crown right here. That means it's for the pro, so it costs money. So if you don't want that, go here to those little filters and just click on free. And then you only be shown the free versions. And then you can see which ones you like. So here, look at the different types. So here, so there are like different. So yeah, so you can kind of listen to what you want. And if you don't like that style, you just change it slightly. So pop happy to make it sound a little bit more upbeat. Let's say I like that one. You just click on it and then it ends up down here, or you can drag it and then you can use the handles to change where you want your music to be. So I'm going to stretch it across all 3 slides. Once that's done, you can go up here, fade the end, so you have a nice ending. And you can also go and change the audio, the loudness. If you don't want it super loud or a little, if you want it loud, go a little higher here. So once you've done that and you're happy with everything, oops, then you can hit preview to see how your card looks and sounds together. So let's do that too. Okay, so I like the way that looks. So when I'm done, what I just do, you just go to share, and then you always go to download. You go to MP4 and make sure all 3 pages are selected, and then you hit download. and then you drag the file on your computer desk or wherever you want it. And then if you're on a Mac, you can send it down here through messages and send it to yourself. And you can send it to anybody you want to send it to. Or once you're done editing, you can just also open the Canva app on your phone. I don't recommend editing the card on the phone, though. That can be very frustrating. So just on the phone, if you download it again, you go to Share, Download, and then MP4, and then it'll end up in your camera roll, and then you can send it to everyone you like. So that's how it works. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Reach out to me if you have any questions. I hope you have fun with these cards. Have a wonderful day.